Gentlemen, and let's turn you lightly in here. Are you guys playing with the light?
Yeah.
Just give me the light. Was that, is that
Right,
that
so,
song?
yeah. We'll probably have to pop that out.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine.
All right, let's bring that to the other side or the back of the car and see if we can't get that working too.
Ooh, look at you guys.
Well, we've got 99% of that door is fine now. I've got this, had the screws for it, didn't realize it.
You were screwing in the door?
All right, let's get this down. Let's see how.
I'm trying to get the.
Ah, there's our issue.
Look at that.
So I wonder.
I wonder. We hear something at the garbage can. We're like, squirrel! I haven't seen a squirrel around here in a while. Got lots of cats. Xander, we have lots of stray.
What?
I was gonna. I couldn't stop giggling. All right, Mr. Scotty, what do you, Dr. Scotty?
What's your diagnosis?
Watch. Needs a new socket.
I can actually get sockets. That's pretty easy. If you pull that out, we can find that. Get Scotty to pull out, right?
There's that.
Bulb check. Oh yeah, that's well, those usually slide out a little bit. You can slide the wires usually. They got the springs. They're supposed to have the springs and they don't. Oh, look at that. Crispy critters.
Yep. So now the next question is, can we get...
We could at least get leads
If
that
I'm
have the
seeing
springs, and we could rebuild that too. I've done that before.
If I'm seeing it properly, I'll mark down 2 door sockets, light bulb sockets.
Nice. Scotty, you're starting on the list. Can you show me the list? As of, what is this, what time is it? Xander? Anybody? No, who knows what time it is?
My phone's over
8:11.
As of 8:11 a.m. You start on this at what, 6:30?
Yep.
Both of you did, actually. You guys were cranking. And that's the list. Oh my God. Not really, it's not that bad. All right. Carry on, boys.
there. Yay.
I'll be back soon.